we'll be reviewing the steps to do a bulk upload, which will be for updating products within Costbucket, especially for companies with 500, 1,000, 3,000 products. It's a lot easier to do this by importing an upload file. We start by clicking on the bulk inventory upload update tab, then click here to get all products. Once you click on this, it will provide you with a URL and a list of all the products in your account. So for this demo account, there are 3,085 products in the account. The next step will be to go to Google Sheets, create a new sheet, and let's call this sheet bulk product bulk product update sample. Next step will be then to click here in cell A1 and type in equal import HTML open bracket, and then you will input the URL, and it's important to put it in between open and close quotations. So put it here, and then you have it here. Close the space, then put a comma, then open again and type in table, then close and then comma and put 1, then close bracket. Once you do this, it will pull all the inventory from that URL. So here you go. So this is a one-time effort to do. Whenever you open this sheet that you've saved in Google Sheets, it will always update and refresh and show you the latest status of your products whenever you open the sheet. Next, you can just highlight the whole area and go to data and create filters. So from here, you can then decide how you want to filter your data so that you can then know what you want to make updates to. So important notes to make: you cannot make a change on the stock code or the current, well, you can do current or obsolete, but not batch control and not manage serial items. So column A, H, and I are not to be modified. You can change your product description, the long description. You can change the stock categories. The stock categories that you use have to be something that is already in the software. So you can't just create any random category and expect that you can upload it and it works. It has to be exactly what is already existing. Likewise, for units of measurement and for the purchase item type. In most cases, people will be changing either something from being taxable supply to exempt. They'll be changing the material cost of the product, which is the cost to purchase, or the sales price, or they can input the barcodes of the products.